On August 13th, Roblox made 3 gift card items limited: Verdant Crown, Quadri School Aura, and the Solar System Aura. But now there's one pretty obvious question: is Roblox going to keep doing that? Because if the answer is yes, that means that tons of gift card items that people have could go limited, in the future, and could be worth a lot. Today, I'm gonna look into if this was actually completely random and if holding gift card items is actually a brilliant idea. And please subscribe if you think that I'm right. So first, let's analyze what actually went limited. The Verdant Crown came from a gift card in 2023, and that was in May. The Quadri School came from a gift card from September of 2023, and the Solar System Aura came out in a gift card in March of 2024. These things were never released as limited. You just redeemed gift cards, you got the bonus item, and that was it. 3 years later, Roblox is now flipping the switch and making these items limited, which means that over 700,000 owners can just buy premium, sell them for thousands of Robux. That is really interesting. The thing that troubles me the most is that these all went limited at the same time, and they all have one thing in common: that they have particle effect. Over the past 3 videos, which have done amazing, by the way, I have stated over time and time again that Roblox are making these items limited because they have particle effects. That's all it is. This has effects, this has effects, and this has effects. Every gift card item on Roblox, it does not have effects. So this cannot be a coincidence. You have items like the 8-bit Royal Crown, which is worth 35,000 Robux, not because it looks cool, but because it looks cool with effects. But there's one massive problem though. The issue is that gift card items have so many copies. If we just made gift card items limited, you could see millions of owners that really don't know anything about trading just selling items and making them take value. Like this was happening with the Verdant Crown. It reached 7,000 value, and now it's over, it's falling to like 5,500. There's over 500,000 available copies. And if people really start figuring this out, then this could be a very bad thing. Now, without saying, this item is definitely doing good. And my thesis is that I believe Roblox is going to see this. Maybe WoW 7 is going to let them know that we want more of this. I mean, this getting valued in a certain number of days, that's kind of crazy. And remind you, this was just a gift card bonus item. Like that's all it is. And it has over 7,000 value, which makes me think Roblox could honestly see this and think of what could go limited next. But I want to make this clear. Nobody knows. I don't know. And really, you can't really get anything out of nobody nowadays. But if Roblox keeps on doing this, there's a certain few things that I would pay attention to. The first item, which I own, is the extra domino top hat. It was created in 2024 April, and this item is amazing. It actually has an effect that if you wear it in game, it actually shoots out dominoes from the top. And this is actually one of my personal favorite items. I think I paid around $10 for this, and this is a very popular item. The issue is that if this went limited, it would have so many copies that it wouldn't even really be that exclusive anymore, if you get what I mean. Now, this came out in 2023, the Robux Blaster. This item would be pretty sick because first, it's a gun accessory, and people for some reason love that. But again, this item is also sick because it shoots out actual money from the gun. Again, particle. Now, items like 8-bit Purple Backyard Rocker, stuff like this, I don't have any hope that these will go limited. First, because I'm not even sure that particles, but second, they don't really look the best. My biggest bets right now are the extra domino top hat and definitely the Robux Blast. That's just mine. Items like the confetti leaf, which actually has like a gold particle effect. If this went limited, I think that it would do amazing. First of all, it reminds me of like the Emperor face on Roblox, but if they actually made it actually look good. Again, it has a particle effect. It has I think yellow glow things around it. It's very cool actually. We also have the hard-headed ref outfit. It was available from July to August in 2023, and you had to get it from $125 Amazon gift. The reason why this one is so sick is because this particle effect that you see is the same as the 8, and the 8 Royal Crown is worth 35k. The issue is that this does not look as cool because it's a soccer ball. I don't think a lot of people are gonna be wearing just soccer balls around Trade Hangout, but the fact that it has the same effect that's kind of crazy. All this to say, no one really has an idea. I'm just making predictions, and I think that Roblox just making random gift card items limited is not normal. There is no freaking way that this is only going to be the only wave of stuff, because Roblox, I don't know who's over like the limiteds around here, but I think that maybe WoW 7 says something. I have no idea. But my personal opinion is that I just think that Roblox soon will realize that the limited market is not as niche as it seems right now. Roblox limiteds take up a majority of the Roblox economy because people love Roblox limiteds. They love wearing them. It's not just about who has the best limited or who has the worst one or looks. I think that people are not that dumb. Roblox is not just adopt me. It's not just stuff like that. There's a whole economy on you. And the fact that Roblox made these items limited, no reason, again, I'm saying, calling it. They're going to make more items. Doing a little test run right now, but eventually there's going to be more. Now, as to what's going to go limited, I have no idea. I wouldn't have an idea. I am not highly wanted. But hey, I think even Highly would agree, okay? Maybe he won't. I'm not sure, but he's been making his own prediction videos. So, but in my opinion, that is all that I have to say, really. I have nothing else really to say, and I hope that you guys agree. If you disagree, comment though, because I do take criticism, promise. All right, see you next video, guys.